Hi guys, we're going to be filming a few short science experiments today. Here is my assistant. What's your name, Mr. Assistant?
Connor.
Connor is going to be helping us today. Let's come and see what we're going to do first.
Our first experiment is to do some experiments with...
Very simple. Many of you have seen it before. We're going to drop 2 Mentos in each bottle and we're going to see which one goes the highest. So, Mr. Assistant, which one do you think is going to go highest?
The orange, because it's the most flavors.
With orange, I think this one's going to go the highest, the diet. Alright, would you like to hold those two? We'll do them one at a time and we'll measure which ones go the highest, okay? You might be seeing some energy in the next video. Alright. Now you need to very quickly drop them in and move back.
I don't need to quickly move. Dad,
Yeah?
I think we need to use before 1 or 2.
Alright, let's see then.
That's real good.
No, you're going to have to try a different one. That's fine, that's experimentation. Let's try 4 on the next one. You think 4 will work?
Yeah.
I put these ones in then. You what? I might do these ones because we've got to be a bit faster on these ones, okay? Alright.
This experiment is Dad putting some more Mentos in. You put more in Dad, that's why it went.
I know, I put 4 in that time. Let's try 6 on the next one. Alright, let's try 6 on this one.
Wow.
The fact that I'm not putting the lids on the mic. Alright, we've got 6 in the Diet Coke. Classic, let's see what happens. Right, move aside on that. You're in the way of the camera. Alright, ready?
You ready, folks? Whoa!
Definitely the best one. You can change up at home, whether you can try different things and see how you can make it go. Alright, we'll go for the next one. Alright everybody, this time we're going to be doing a basic bicarb and vinegar experiment. So we're going to put the same amount of bicarb in each glass, and we might change up a couple of the variables a little bit and see how it goes. There are all sorts of different things you can do at home with these. So we have our bicarb here. I'll get my assistant to help me in a second.
Really simple. Just put that into one of the cups. That's the first thing you need to do.
Good job, assistant. And how about we put twice the amount in the third one? We're going to see if this makes a difference on what we end up doing. Then,
Here you go.
thank you. Now, so we're measuring the same. We're going to use another one of these same glasses for our vinegar. Now, I have dyed our vinegar red. I've got double strength vinegar, so it's going to be a stronger acid. So when that interacts with our alkaline or our base, the bicarb, it'll have a better effect.
Don't worry about that big noise. It'll just me closing the door. No need to panic about that.
That's alright, assistant. Alright, so we're going to do half a glass in the first one. In
Then
this one here.
Pour it into the other glass.
Let's pour it in and see what happens.
Wow, that's cool.
Now with our second one.
Wait, it's red, but it's turning pink.
Our second one, we're going to put some soap in.
Soap. We're putting some soap in, then a little bit of the vinegar, then it's going to be a bigger, really, really stronger liquid.
You think? Alright, let's see what happens.
Told ya.
The soap makes our bubbles a lot smaller,
And
so it
it'll-
sustains the reaction for a lot longer.
And also it makes it go slower outwards.
That's right. So if you're making a volcano at home, using soap makes it go a lot better.
Oh, that's so funny. It's still fizzing.
Alright, assistant, and we're going to use, this one's got double the amount, so we'll use double the amount of vinegar too, but should we put in soap or no soap?
Put in double the soap too.
Double the soap too. Okay.
That would it will be more interesting.
Alright, double the soap.
Everybody would like that. Put a full glass of it. Well, like,
Alright.
I don't know, full glass.
A bigger glass and...
Put all of it in. Whoa, that is cool. Go off the seat. Wait. I want it to go off the seat. It would be so cool.
So I'd like to see what different combinations and different things you can try at home to mix this experiment up a lot. See what fun things you can think of you can try. What different things you can put it in. You could try putting it in balloons and try and blow up the balloon with your bicarbonate vinegar. I'd love to hear about what different things you've managed. Alright, for our last experiment, we're going to need to start with a little bit of soap, which I'm going to put on the side. Now this can be done with water, but it works better with milk, because milk is a denser liquid, so more things will float on it.
Dye in.
Yeah, we're going to put a few drops of the dye in.
Thank you.
Now, I would use more colours, but this is the only one I immediately have.
I wish that we had like all the colours in the colour bit.
That's alright. So if you use water, you can't really use food dye because it will mix in too quickly. But with milk, it takes a lot longer. Alright, don't rock the table. Now, what I need you to do, my young assistant, is touch your finger very gently on the soap. Carefully so you're not rocking the table, and then touch the milk.
Milk. More.
You want to try touching somewhere else?
Milk. Milk.
Now, the effect won't last for very long.
It's making more of the red come out. Now, if you do prepare to do this, it is gonna make the dye that you're using. It's gonna make it put the dye in quicker.
All right, my assistant, can you please say goodbye to the folks at home?
Bye.
Now, tomorrow we're going to talk about marine life. On Friday, we're going to talk about what we can do to protect marine life. Because that's what this year's Science Week is about. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye-bye.